Alright, let's go see some little crabs. It is a swampy area and they live here a lot, so many of them, in millions. But when they see somebody, they always hide. You can see they try to take cover under some leaves, some dry leaves. They will take cover under them. You can see that guy just ran away. Look at him trying to hide. He's trying to hide here, right here, right here. You see? You see? There are so many of them. They hide under the mud. You can see that's a crab. And there are so many of them out here. Inside a hole you can see up to 3 or 4. Watch. Watch. There's another one. There's another one here. Just ran away. Okay, still went. You see, that one is coming out. You can see. So they live here a lot. Look at that big guy. They love hiding. Look at them. They love hiding. On that. And here I was able to grab one. It's ready to fight. But I actually held it in a particular angle where the hands cannot reach me. So you can see how they look. They don't get bigger than this. I don't know the species of this. If I drop it, it's going to just reach. See? It's ready to fight. Looking for somewhere to hide. Big skull. This is an old bamboo stick. So that is where I found it. It can totally disappear. I was also able to find this. Okay. I don't know the real name. But today I came out to do some discoveries. If you know the name of this stuff, please send the name on the comment section. I don't know the name. I don't know what they're trying to do. I think they're trying to hide. They feel they are too exposed right now. So trying to hide is the business. You can see.
Please subscribe.